One of the flagship products of Carp Particles is the hemp and snails. This is fresh hemp seed mixed with frozen water snails, crushed oyster shell. And what this gives you over normal hemp is a very salty, a very crunchy, a very calcium-rich bait that carp just seem to love grazing over. A few handfuls in these in a swim just keeps the carp returning again and again until they've gone through every single morsel. They love crunching oyster shell and they love crunching the hemp itself.
Oh, this is yours, Stu.
As with all products, there's no preservatives involved. There's no fluorides or chlorides that you might find in tap water. It's pure rainwater, which gives you a pure, natural, salty, crunchy base feed. Now, one of the problems with using these natural products is they're not PVA friendly. Now, there are many other PVA friendly products out there, but they go completely against what Carp Particles are trying to achieve. There's no point preparing all the particles in rainwater if we're then just going to add chemicals to keep them shelf life or PVA friendly. However, there is one way of getting around this, but it also adds another dimension to your bait. The first step is to get a small bait box and add about 1/4 inch of water to the bottom. Then give it a very liberal helping of table salt and mix that into the water, dissolving as much as possible. Add a handful of your chosen particle and again mix it around. Take your standard PVA mesh. Obviously at this stage, with normal freshly prepared particle, you'd immediately melt the PVA mesh. However, the salt is providing a barrier between the water and the particle. What you also get in this method is the added benefit of additional salt that's been added to the water. Push it all through, tie it off the same as any PVA stick. Cut it off above the knot, and then you're ready to go with freshly prepared particle, but preservative free, in a PVA stick, ready to be hooked onto any rig and cast into the lake. I'll now show you how it works in the tank. We'll now drop it in the tank and see how it reacts with the water. So you can see straight away, you can see some of the salt coming off of the PVA mesh, and again that's only going to add to the attraction. Wait a couple of seconds for the water and you can see straight away the bag's broken down, the hemp's all been released, and your hook bait will be sat right in the middle of that. How many people have you seen fishing little hemp PVA bags on your lake? Not many. Give it a go and it will catch you more fish.